Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cool novelty sign. So I took a nice piece of chunky pallet wood and then I decided on a width, no need to measure it, and I just did this by eye and then marked with a speed square. So then I measured out a centimetre around all the edges, just so that I knew exactly where to put the lettering. And then I drew a sort of border around to give me like a framework for the letters. So then I just did a quick bit of maths to work out the spacing of the letters so that they all looked uniform and they all fitted neatly onto the sign. So now I wanted to mark out a section for each letter. And you can also use a stencil to do this, but I decided to just draw the letters freehand. So I decided to use a biro to draw the letters on, and I just did them freehand. And I wanted to fill the spaces up as much as I could to give nice bold lettering. So now I wanted to use my hot iron to go around these letters, just to draw them out and burn them into the wood. So then I cut the sign to size with the miter saw. And then I gave it a sanding down, and at this point I realised that I probably should have sanded the wood before burning the letters on, but that was okay. I just went back again and went over the letters again with the hot iron. And then I wanted to give the letters an interesting texture, so I decided to colour them in with the iron. So when that was done, I used my palm router to go around the edge, just to give the sign a nice edge. I then gave it all a sanding down with some 240 grit sandpaper. So now I took some black paint and painted all around the edge. And I highlighted the edges of the letters with the black paint as well. And that just gave a little bit more contrast on the letters. So when that was dry, I painted it all up with a coat of yacht varnish. So now I needed something to hang the sign, and I used some jute, which is usually for gardening, like hanging plants, tying plants up, and I used these little hooks, and I just used the combination square to find an equal spacing to put these little hooks. And then I just threaded the rope through the jute and knotted it both ends to keep it in place. So that was the sign finished. All there was left to do now was hang it. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos, and also leave me a comment. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.